Hello, this is Chen speaking and welcome to another one-shot video bringing my OBS knowledge out to you. Before we start, I want to give a big thank you for reaching 200 subscribers on my YouTube channel and 800 followers on Twitch. It has been a long road and this really means the world to me. So today we're going to check out another one-shot video as I got some positive feedback from my first one I did about OBS, about the application audio capture. I'll just link this video here somewhere. You can watch it if you like. It was my very first video on OBS. And today I want to talk to you about multi-track recording. I will try to keep it as short and simple as possible, even if it is not that easy topic. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to drop down into the comments. We can just chat about it and I will try to answer all of your questions. So let's go. Why do we actually need or want multi-track recording? That's actually a very easy question, because we want to keep all our audio sources apart. What happens if you don't multi-track record? So you've got a mix of everything. For example, if you're a Twitch streamer, you got all the alerts like followers, bits, sound alerts, etc. Your Discord, your voice, your game in just one audio track. What happens? You only got the mix down, and if you want to do post-production process, like you want to edit the clips for YouTube or TikTok, for example, you cannot decide, for example, hey, I don't want anyone to hear my people of the Discord. Or maybe you want to remove all the sound alerts from the audio because you just want to have your voice and your reaction in your TikTok video. As you can see here, I'm opening DaVinci Resolve. This is my editing program, and I've downloaded one of my TikTok clips I did over Streamladder. And you can just see here on audio channel 2, you see the mix down of everything what happened on stream. Unfortunately, if you record a clip on Twitch, you only get one audio track. Multi-track recording only works perfectly if you record the video locally. If you got everything set up, this is the goal. You see, we see our video at the very top, and we've got the audio tracks 1 to 5, each one with a different result. For example, I've got the Discord on audio track 3, I've got my voice on audio track 4, I've got the game on audio 2. I can decide what do I want to do, what do I want to keep in the clip. Okay, let's go to OBS. This is my OBS setup. And here in the mixer, you already see I've got many audio input. As said, if you want to know how to set this up here in the mixer, just drop into the video I posted before. I'll link this and I'll explain you there quickly how to actually set this mixer up and how to use the application audio capture. It's very simple. It's just 4 minutes. So easy watch. First of all, we want to go into our settings. And we want to head out to the output tab. And as said, multi-track recording is the thing we are talking about. We are not talking about multi-track streaming. So we're going into the recording tab over here. And you can see I'm using type standard for this view. I'm recording into U drive under videos. And this is very important. The other formats you have available usually don't support multiple audio tracks. So you might want to switch over to the Matryoshka format or MKV in this case, and you want to select the audio tracks you want to record. So recording is set up now. You're recording all these audio tracks here. That's my selection. Now, second thing you have to do, we took care about our general OBS settings, and now we want to take care of our mixer. So we go onto these 3 bubbles here, you see, under any of these audio inputs. and go down to advanced audio properties. We'll do pull it a little bit bigger. And as you can see, I've got many audio inputs just for everything what's happening. And what is important now, we can assign tracks to each of these audio inputs. I've got my Twitch live stream, so everything what you see as a viewer and hear on track 1. For my VOD, which is saved on Twitch, I have to select number 6 because that's the VOD track. Why am I doing this? Why am I separating live and Twitch VOD? Because I'm playing music on my stream and I've got it licensed, but sometimes you still get muted audio VODs. I don't want this, so I'm excluding all the music from my VODs. So what else can you do? You can, for example, decide you want to have the Discord audio on track 3, your microphone on track 4, and for example your soundboard from sound alerts, you want to have it on 1 for live viewers, you want to have it on 5 so you can filter it out while editing, and you've got it on your Twitch VOD because maybe it's nice to have it on your VOD. That's up to you. That's it. That's all there is to multi-track recording. Scroll back if you want to see my settings. Pause the video if you like. And as said, if you have any questions, just drop down into the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you in the next one-shot video. Bye!